Hi, welcome to Menjan. Today we are going to see about what are mudras, what are chakras, and its types. First, we are going to see about what are mudras. According to Vedic culture of ancient India, our entire world is made of the five elements called the Pancha Mahabhutas. The five elements being earth, water, fire, wind, space. They are also called as the earth of water element, fire element, wind element, space element, earth element. As long as these five elements in our body are balanced and maintain appropriate levels, we remain healthy. An imbalance of these elements in the human body leads to a deteriorated health and diseases. To understand this, we should first know the finger element relationship. Thumb, fire element, index finger, wind element, middle finger, space element, third finger, earth element, small finger, water element. Now we are going to see about chakras. What are chakras? An example for this content. Energy can neither be created nor can it be destroyed. It only changes from one form to another. The human body needs energy to sustain life. This essential energy is obtained in two ways: the physical mode, the metaphysical mode. The physical mode is the food we consume and the air we breathe. The metaphysical mode is the omnipresent universal life energy is absorbed or channeled into our body. First, we are going to see about Muladhara Chakra or the root chakra. The Sanskrit name is Muladhara Chakra, symbol lotus with four petals, color red, location it is located at the base of the spine, element it is considered as an earth element. Organs it controls are rectum, kidneys, and organs in lower abdomen. Food that nourishes this chakra are red meat, spinach, spices, and pepper. The mudra for Muladhara chakra is second. We are going to see about the Savistana chakra. The other name is the Scaral chakra. Sanskrit name Savistana chakra. Symbol crescent moon within a lotus with six petals. Color orange. Food that nourishes the chakra are milk, dairy products, bananas, honey, chocolate, butter. The mudra for Scaral chakra is the third chakra we are going to see is Manipur chakra. Sanskrit name Manipur chakra, English name the solar plexus chakra. Its symbol is downward pointing triangle within a lotus with 10 petals. Color yellow. Location solar plexus just beneath the diaphragm. Element fire. Organ it controls digestive system. Food that nourishes its chakra are fish, chicken, eggs, organs, papaya, carrots. The mudra for solar plexus chakra is the fourth chakra is Anahat chakra or the heart chakra. Sanskrit name Anahat chakra. Symbol six-pointed star within a circle flower with 12 petals. Color green. Location chest. Element is air. Controls heart, lungs, organs of the circulatory system and immune system. Food that nourishes this chakra are cherries, strawberries, vegetables, soya beans, green leaf. The mudra for heart chakra is the fifth chakra we are going to see is Vishuddhi chakra or the throat chakra. Sanskrit name Vishuddhi chakra. Vishuddhi means purification. Symbol a circle housed within a downward facing triangle which is housed in a flower with 16 petals. Color blue. Location throat. Element sound. Organ it controls throat, neck, and other organisms. Food that nourishes this chakra are mushrooms, bananas, white grass juice. The mudra for throat chakra is the sixth chakra we are going to see is Ajna chakra or the third eye chakra. Sanskrit name Ajna chakra. Symbol a lotus with two petals. Color violet. Location half a centimeter above the midpoint between the two eyebrows. Elements light. Organ it controls eyes, ears, nose, and brains. Food that nourishes this chakra are wheat, foodstuffs rich in vitamin E and vitamin A. The mudra for third eye chakra is the final chakra we are going to see is Sahasrara chakra. Sanskrit name Sahasrara chakra. Sahasrara means 1,000 petals. Another name is the crown chakra. It is considered as the most important chakra which gives an enormous power and brain to human body. The symbol is a lotus with 1,000 petals. Color multicolored or sometimes white. Location just above the crown of the skull. Element space. Organs its control cerebrum, spinal cord, and organs of the nervous system. The mudra for crown chakra is now we are going to see the mantras for 7 chakras. For root chakra, the mantra is Lam. For scrotal chakra, the mantra is Vam. For solar plexus chakra, the mantra is Ram. For heart chakra, the mantra is Yam. For throat chakra, the mantra is Ham. For third eye chakra, the mantra is Om. For crown chakra, the mantra is Om. Okay, friends, I think we got a clear idea about the 7 chakras and its mudras and mantras. I think I had given a detailed explanation. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe for more info. Thanks for watching.